Here is where Amber Heard's original trial attorneys are currently living intentionally out of the public eye. Back in 2022, the Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial completely destroyed popular culture. The entire incident dominated water cooler conversation for a few weeks and was a significant occasion that caused people to reflect in depth. From Kate Moss, Johnny's ex-girlfriend, to James Franco, Amber's ex-boyfriend, celebrities had reactions and participated in the trial. Furthermore, its effects are still being felt today. Even after Johnny's official victory in the case in May 2022, the trial continued. Amber has attempted to file for a second case on the grounds that the first trial was conducted in the wrong state. How the retrial will proceed is unknown. The majority of the trial appeals have already been resolved. Nonetheless, it appears that both parties have moved on since then. Both actors have relocated to various nations and have impending film projects. Elaine Bredehoft terminated her alliance with Amber on August 15, 2022. What Elaine has been doing in the interim has piqued the interest of many people. Similar like Johnny and Amber, she has subsequently led a somewhat secluded existence. Who is Elaine Bredehoft, Amber Heard's attorney? The professions of lawyers and attorneys are rather common. Many individuals still don't really understand what they do, though. Certainly, they represent clients in court, but they also have other responsibilities. There are various types of lawyers for various situations. Most lawyers represent their clients in court, but some also offer advice and support. To become an attorney, one must complete several years of college, and even then, success is not guaranteed. That is what sets Elaine's resume apart. Elaine has many years of experience as a lawyer. She was regarded for many years as one of the top lawyers in the DMV region. Her genuine territory is in Virginia, even though she speaks for all residents of that region and really the entire nation. Her admission to the American College of Trial Attorneys, an exclusive club to which only 1% of lawyers and attorneys are admitted, is possibly her greatest achievement. Elaine has participated in numerous class action cases involving significant corporations. Torres Advanced Business Solutions LLC, Namir El Akabi, in which she defended a Virginia company for handicapped veterans, was one of her most significant cases. A verdict in the case totaled more than $19 million. Elaine's net worth is reportedly estimated to be $5 million by Marca. Without a sure, it has grown and will continue to grow now that she was a key player in one of the most significant legal cases in history. Now that the Heard-Depp trial is over, where is Elaine Bredehoft right now? When the trial concluded, Elaine has made a conscious effort to maintain her privacy. Her celebrity from it still has an impact on her now, though. In addition to defending Amber during the trial, Elaine made other viral videos for different reasons. She was well known for crying after the verdict was upheld. She then gave interviews to publications including Today and CBS. By no means did the interviewers on those shows go easy on her. They repeatedly peppered her with probing questions. Another incident that occurred during the trial had someone dressing up as Elaine on TikTok and attempting to meet Johnny Depp on purpose. There isn't a lot of information available regarding Elaine's life. Elaine has never knowingly disclosed any information about her family or personal life, claims Popular Bio. This has been the situation for about a year following the conclusion of the trial, and it appears that Elaine will continue to live with this situation. Every public interview Elaine has given has focused on the trial and its implications for women's rights. Who has Amber Heard hired to represent her in her appeal? Both Johnny and Amber have challenged various aspects of the initial verdict, though it's unclear whether a full trial will take place once more. Amber announced her $2 million settlement on social media, so everything appears to be settled. After the initial verdict, Depp received $10 million, and the Associated Press reports that Johnny is receiving an additional $1 million for his appeals. Amber has enlisted the aid of numerous attorneys to prepare for whatever the future holds. Amber's main draw isn't looking very well right now, but things are just getting started. Amber recruited J. Ward Brown and David L. Axelrod as her attorneys in August. Elaine actually spoke extensively about the transfer, promising to support the lawyers anytime they required it. The details of Amber's new attorneys are really intriguing. They both work for the renowned Philadelphia, Pennsylvania-based law firm Ballard Spahr. Early in 2022, they both defended the New York Times in a prominent trial involving Sarah Palin. As David served on the SEC board, he contributed to the fight against market manipulation. The more seasoned of the two, Jay, has been a representative for entertainment businesses for many years. He typically handles copyright and defamation matters, the latter of which applies to Amber's case. Together, the two should make a strong team for Amber going ahead with the assistance of Elaine. Naturally, Johnny Depp has taken the time to review his defense strategy. Famously, Camille Vasquez, who has been employed as an analyst by NBC, was his first attorney. After all, Camille acknowledged the rumors that Johnny and her were dating were completely untrue. Yet, she did continue to support Johnny during his appeal against Amber, so maybe she will support Johnny at a prospective retrial. Depp is attempting to start over as well. He's resuming his acting career and heading to London, where he already has a couple guaranteed gigs lined up. Despite the harsh criticism Aquaman 2 received for featuring Amber, she is still expected to appear in the film. There have already been a few previews of the movie. Although it is still early in the creation process, the reviews so far seem to imply that it isn't good thus far.